Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our videos that we've done. So what we've been working on today is the brand new Tesla Model X. Absolutely phenomenal car, and looking behind me, it does some really cool stuff as well. So what we've installed is the brand new Blackvue DR900s 2-channel system. This system is really cool. It comes with 4K image quality on the front. It's one of the highest resolution cameras that you can buy on the market. If you own one of these, this is the go-to camera. You love your gadgets. This is the ultimate dash cam gadget that you can buy on the market. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you what it looks like in terms of the install and the finished product, as well as a couple of close-ups on the actual dash cam. Dash camera has 4K image quality on the front. It's a really high resolution on the rear camera. Rear camera is really discreet, which is nice. All the cables are hidden away, and what we're going to do is show you the special bit of cabling that we've done to hide it away that little bit extra. We like to go that little bit extra, and that's why customers travel all the way to us to have our work carried out. We're based in Cambridge, so wherever you are in the UK, feel free to get in touch with us and we can arrange with local hotels so we can work on your car. So for more details, get in touch with us. Our details will be dropped below, so get in touch with us through them as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to step inside the vehicle now, show you the actual dash cam. There are other options for these dash cams on this particular vehicle, but this is what we found is one of the neatest solutions for this particular vehicle. So we're just going to go in from the passenger side here. So this is where you can actually see the dash cam. So all the cabling has actually gone through into the lining up at the top. So you see this very small plastic trim. Cable has really been neatly put away all the way through there. Cable then goes throughout the whole of the rear vehicle. So you can't see anything, you can't tell we've been there at all. Everything goes behind existing trims, everything goes back to exactly how we found it when the vehicle came into us. From the rear, again, very discreet. There's no visible cables going across anywhere. We've gone through the existing grommet, and as you can see here, a really nice application of the rear camera. Gives a really nice clear view as well as on this because of the large rear screen. So from the driver's view, what you're going to be seeing is not much at all. It's hidden away behind the mirror, which is really nice. So the dash cam comes with an application. It's got cloud application as well, so you can view all the footage straight from your phone, and it comes with a set login as well. If you're interested in a system like this, we can go through all the options. This camera system is actually installed in our demo car as well, so for more details you can pop by and see the dash cam solution there. So everything's hidden away. It's really neat and inobtrusive as well. So an absolutely phenomenal car. This is the Blackvue DR900s 2-channel dash camera, so that's front and rear. We've also got the 128 gig SD card in there, which is the highest SD card that you can buy as well for this system. So for more details on this particular install, or if you'd like to arrange your install of a dash camera in your Tesla Model X, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223, and we really look forward to upgrading your Tesla soon. Thank you.